hemorrhagic infarct? Actually, what we see are really congested blood vessels within the what layer of the intestine. You see the mucosal surface on the left side. You see an edema to stroma in the middle, wherein you see the large blood vessels. Itong part na to, ito yung edema to stroma. This is actually part of the submucosa area, where you see blood vessels which are also congested. And you see there the muscle layer is supposed to be in this part. So when you go on higher magnification to those blood vessels, you can see that there is so much congestion of vessels. Edematous stroma or interstitium. And as you go at the area here of the muscle and submucosal muscle layer, you see hemorrhages of the intestine. So probably this intestine, ano ba ang masabi? Wala siyang history. Simply shows the hemorrhage there. Siguro ang nitong history nito, it underwent an hemorrhagic type of infarction. And there could have been a vessel that was involved. And obstructed vessel, which caused this hemorrhagic necrosis.